AI is not the future, it's the present. Most beginners feel scared to start AI. Truth is, AI is simple. You don't need a degree. You just need to start out today.
AI is a smart helper.
I'm trillion too.
It helps you think faster. Write, learn, plan, create. Anyone can use AI. Even complete beginners.
First step is simple. Want to see how it is? Just open an AI tool. No skills are required.
Ask sensible questions.
Use it like a normal person.
AI helps you write better.
Then, it helps you plan your day.
It gives creative ideas.
Wait. AI is an everyday tool. Start with small tasks.
Use AI every day.
Today is the best day. Fear stops most people. AI is not hard. You can learn this. Progress beats perfection. Consistency changes everything. AI is changing the world. You can start today. Everyone starts somewhere.